How to use filters during the Facebook Live. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. If you're wondering how, in today's video, we will be guiding you through the process. So let's just get started. So for that, you can start by opening up the Facebook application, obviously, and once you access Facebook, about your profile, you just need to head over to your profile, or you can go ahead and tap on this option called What's on Your Mind from your main screen. So when you go ahead and tap on it, it should give you this option, and the different options available will be available on your screen. You can go for the option called Live Video and tap on it, or if not, from here, you just need to head over to your profile, and from your profile, you can just scroll down and find the option for the live under this What's on Your Mind, and go ahead and tap on it and start your live. So you will be provided with this screen right here on your screen, where you can start by going live. On your right hand side, you should be finding a menu if you want to go ahead and apply the filter. So you can either apply the filter before going live or even after going up to your live. So what you can do is you can just head over and look out for the filter option. It may not be available for all of the accounts. There are some certain requirements for that. You just need to head over, and once you find up the effects option like this, it should be available. For mine, it is not, but you should be finding this kind of effect option if that option is available to you. So you just need to go ahead and find it up, and you can tap on it. And once you tap on it, you just need to go over and select up the filter that you would like to use on your Facebook Live. So you can just swipe right, or you can look out for the filters option, those colors option, etc. You can just go and choose up the one that you prefer, and that way you can use the filters during your Facebook Live. And once you have ended, like once you're okay with your live, you can just go ahead and go to the finish option in the bottom right corner and tap on it. And once you confirm it up, the live should end along with the filters, and that's it. So therefore, if you'd also like to use filters during Facebook Live, you can just follow up this method for that. So do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.